This 2024 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40cc is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This new Forest River is 40 feet 6 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Livingston interior, sleeps 6, water heater, spare tire kit, oven, microwave, smoke detector, TV, leveling jacks, air conditioning, LP detector, refrigerator, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, kitchen island, Murphy bed, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40cc is 11,830 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.